the legal side of Pestle. So certain acts may have a direct impact on a business. Example, the CPA or the BCEA. These are legal requirements for operating certain business types of, certain types of business time consuming. Okay, so legal. CPA, the Consumer Protection Act. How is this act going to protect consumers, from buying goods that are defective? Or the BCEA, the Basic Conditions of Employment Act, that is setting out, the basic conditions of employment in terms of working hours, leave periods, resignation, whatever it is. That could severely impact the business if there are any amendments to legislation. It could become a pretty bureaucratic or administrative process. There could be high legal costs. Maybe you need to hire some kind of attorney for one of the business spheres that you are involved in. And these high legal costs are involved in obtaining a license or trademark or patent, or maybe some other kind of legal issue. And in terms of legalities of business contracts, again, maybe you need a lawyer working for your business to get a good contract up in place and running. And this could limit business operations in terms of efficiency. So yeah, these are all the possible risks involved. Let us take a look at some of the solutions now to deal with this legal aspect. So in terms of compliance, we need to comply with all relevant legislation. This is the law. If you don't comply, you are literally breaking the law. That is a criminal offense. And to comply with legal requirements just in general for operating businesses. So the license, trademark, patent, and all that. Make sure all of that is sorted. Because if not, again, you could face some severe legal consequences. And budget for high legal establishment costs. Just budget for attorney fees, budget for this and that, set up an emergency fund, because those fees are always going to be extremely high, because you are dealing with skilled individuals who charge quite a hefty hourly fee. Businesses must know the legalities of business contracts so that they can comply with all the requirements, with all of them. Failure to comply it could result in a breach of contract, and again, you could face some quite heavy legal repercussions. Okay, and that's it for the legal side of Pestle, everybody. I'll see you in the next one. We are going to tackle the last and final one, environmental. Cheers.